Hello beautiful people, Yasmin here. Welcome to Juliet Kitchen. Today I'm showing you how to make this incredible rigatoni pasta in a grass-fed beef sauce. It's absolutely delicious, very easy to make, and it's loaded with an abundance of beautiful herbs as well as spices. So I do hope you'll stick around to see how I put together this incredible, super simple, absolutely delicious rigatoni pasta with grass-fed beef. Don't forget to get the printable recipe on my website at julietkitchen.com. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. To get started, I'm heating olive oil over medium heat in a non-stick pan. I'm sauteing onions for just about 2 minutes until nice and translucent. I'm adding in my spice mix and cooking for 30 to 60 seconds until it's nice and fragrant. Now I'm going to add in fresh crushed garlic, some fresh oregano chopped, sage chopped as well, scallions chopped. I'm going to stir this and cook for about 30 to 60 seconds. Okay, now I'm adding in my ground beef. I'm using grass-fed beef, but you could use whatever kind you like. Use the back of the spoon to break the meat up. And I'm going to cook until no longer pink. Takes about 4 to 5 minutes. Now I'm seasoning with my salt and give it a good mix. Okay, I'm adding in my marinara sauce. You can use any type of sauce that you prefer and stir to fully incorporate. It smells great in here. I'm going to bring this to a boil, lower the heat, and simmer for about 15 minutes. Okay, now I'm cooking my pasta in a large pot of water that I had prepared, and I'm cooking it al dente 2 minutes less than the instructions call for. So my pasta is ready. I'm draining it and adding it into the meat sauce. Give it a good stir to fully incorporate the pasta and the sauce. Now I'm going to cover the pan and allow it to cook 2 to 3 minutes. 2 to 3 minutes later, my pasta is now fully cooked. It's perfectly al dente. Okay, now I'm turning off my stove and I'm adding in freshly grated Parmesan cheese. I'm stirring in my cheese until it's fully melted. It looks so beautiful and smells amazing. Time to go taste testing. Wow, the moment of truth, the moment that I like is really tasting. It smells amazing in here. The flavors are impeccable, so magnificent. The pasta is al dente. You can taste the hint of spices, the beautiful fresh herbs. You simply can't go wrong with making this dish. So I hope you'll take the time to make this simple recipe and enjoy it as much as we do around here. Until next time, happy cooking!